I want to give a big shout out to my boy Andrew. If y'all don't know who Andrew is behind the camera, Andrew is Officer Coldwater's son. Man, I'm about to help him just like go crazy because he's a beast with the camera stuff. Y'all know we got my boy Tumashi.
We outside, man. We outside in big snow.
In big snow. We would have brought the toys out, but y'all see it's snowing. And it's a crazy car meet across the street, y'all. When I tell you it's a crazy car meet, y'all about to see this content. Turn down, guys, but we still finna get this content for y'all. I heard it's an organized meet, but it don't look like it. And this snow is beating my face up. It ain't even cold out here. This is the snow beating my face right now. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. But it's like, I don't know if it's shut down or not, y'all. But we still finna roll. Huh?
They got
It ain't over there. They're not over there. This is different content, y'all. I know we all like you know, big rim stuff and stuff like this, but I want to spread my audience out by getting content with tuners, muscle cars, imports, different kind of cars and content and stuff like that. So yeah, y'all gonna see a lot of this, especially with my boy Coldwater, man. It's freezing though.
Hey, they do spot.
Yeah, come over here. This is where the bus is.
Yeah, it's definitely hot.
It's hot over here.
We need to watch the other
I think I shut down. Let's hurry move some cars out the way.
Bro, they were.
Oh no, they're towing that dude's car. They're towing his car. He must have did something.
Oh man. I should go over there and get a thumbnail, but they towed my car. They towed my car. Yeah, they towed the car, guys. It's crazy, man. Definitely crazy.
Baby join. Baby join.
Yo, what up, my boy? It's definitely freezing. This is y'all cup of tea right here. We got the Mopars, you know, Mopar maniacs, you feel me? I think I'm gonna join them one day. I think I'm gonna join them back again. But it's only a matter of time. Carter, what you think, bro? You think I should do it? You think we should go back Mopar, bro?
Yes, sir.
You think so?
Yes, sir.
I don't know. Tucci, what you think, bro?
Track Hawk. I can see you in a Track Hawk, Swervo.
You know, Track Hawk.
Is it Mopar there?
I said, Track Hawk.
Yeah, it was.
You know, one thing, no, guys. One thing I did hate about my Mopar when I did the lights, like I hated it. Oh, you see him? See him? Yeah, that's the one thing I did hate. The lights, I hated it. You used to make your battery just go dead. This the first meeting in Illinois I've been to this year. Outside? For the year? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Feel good to
Actually, no, I went to one right when it first started. It was freezing out.
Really?
Went to Chicago. It was actually.
Oh man, Coldwater, you fight. You didn't invite me.
It was
Man, you fight. Coldwater fire. He didn't invite us. No revving. You heard him? No revving. Tucci, get your peoples.
Get your man.
Get your peoples. That's a Mopar. I don't got no Mopar no more. I can say that now.
Still Mopar guy.
This line. No, when we talk about we just keep playing, y'all. I don't want y'all.
Yeah, no, we can just.
We got love for all viewers, y'all. We just
we can just play.
Just be having fun.
They gonna get on your channel. They ain't gonna get on mine. I'm Beamer gang. They ain't gonna get on my channel.
That's what we right here.
Oh yeah, here's the Beamer boy.
Yeah, we the Beamer.
Right
Killer,
here.
hey, the Killer Bees.
Right here.
The killer bees.
Yeah, we the Beamer boys right here.
Oh, should I?
This what we like right here.
Hey, should I? You hear me?
This what we like right here. Yeah.
Oh man. No, I ain't gonna lie. I always wanted the BMW or Benz though. I'm more Benz gang though. I don't want y'all to be mad at me. I don't want y'all to be mad at me in that.
Benz is more like
I'm Benz gang. Look, watch Coldwater not send me the footage now because I just said that.
Nice.
Bro, it's so many cars for it to be snowing like this. Like it's snowing like crazy, but ain't nobody ain't nobody moved the muscle yet. Like I bet you if it was a whole bunch of box Chevys out here, they would have been going.
Yeah, they would have been going. Box Chevys, Landhouse.
Man, bro. Nah, it just wasn't a good day to bring the vet out, guys. It just wasn't a good day to bring the vet. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Let's get some car footage. Oh, SS gang right here. I bet you it is. I bet you it is.
Like I can feel myself
I bet
moving
you.
it, and I was not being great.
Oh. It's crazy, man. It's too cold to be wearing some shorts. I ain't wearing no shorts. I'm not wearing no shorts. You see me? I'm finna put on some overalls in a minute. What is this? That sounds like what is that? You know what that is?
It's a Toyota. I'm not sure
I know it's
what.
a Toyota. I don't know what it is. I ain't never seen that.
That thing is low.
Oh my God. Tucci out here trying to batty, man. Tucci out here trying to batty and we supposed to be working, man.
Wow, look at the slicks on that Pontiac. He driving this with slicks on it.
Yeah. You better
Dang.
go, buddy. You better get out of here, buddy. Definitely gotta get out of here. Oh God. Yeah, she seen two black guys with ski masks on. Cole want to save this, man. Definitely save this. Oh, I like that rap. That's a rap.
Ooh, that looks good.
I like how they. That's an M3. That's 3, right? Might be a 4.
Yeah, I think so.
No, that's a 4. No, that's a 4, bro.
Nah, how much you want to
No, that's a 3. That's a 3. You right.
Beamer boy.
Yeah, 335. I thought it was an M. Uh-oh, more cars.
Here's yours. Here's yours.
Of course I do. I'm not gonna sit here and lie like I don't miss my house. Bro, that was my biggest regret, bro.
I'll get rid of the rumbles.
That was my biggest regret.
That's it.
Yeah, guys. Next time though, the vet will be in attendance. I don't know about the Beamer. I don't know about the vet will be in attendance. Oh, that's like saying
This is a Honda. It looks like a Beamer, bro.
That's an Infinity, bro.
Bro, that's all it is. Okay.
No, it's a Beamer. I thought that was an Acura or something. 540.
That's
540, man. Ooh, like the wheels on there too.
That's nice, bro.
Y'all cool? Y'all good?
Nah, I'm
Chilling.
It's gonna be hectic trying to get out, bro. Yeah,
It's gonna be hectic when that car ain't over there. When that car goes.
organized business. Bro, you got to tell. No, hey, no copyright either. No copyright either. Copyright free zone. Copyright free zone. We are in Naperville, Illinois, guys. If you don't know, Naperville, Illinois is one of the safest. Is the safest, considered the safest city in Illinois. So this is why it's safe to be out here.
We gotta get Reese to contact. We gotta get Reese to contact.
They not gonna let that happen,
You
bro.
don't think so?
No.
So we can do that?
Yeah.
We can't do that?
No, bro. You know what? There's too many of us. They won't let that happen, bro. Hey. First box Chevy on 6s and pull up through. They pull you up. I said first box Chevy pull.
They play earn it. So
Oh, it's over.
set it out, set it down.
Hey, Billings for you? I don't know. You gotta go. It was definitely worth the drive. It was a long drive, but it was definitely worth the drive. You're not over. More cops came. So, a question popped up on my Instagram today, and it said, so it's a female, one of your female friends on Instagram. She added you with her close friends, and she added you with her close friends, but you know like how she move. You know she be on some demon time. You know what I'm saying?
Big demon time.
But she got a cousin or a brother or whatever, and she be like, oh wait, let me remove this person before I post it. But you still in there, and she posts some freaky stuff on there. Is that your potential sex partner? I'm asking y'all on the camera. I'm asking you. And I'm asking you, Andrew. Is that your potential sex partner? So basically, is it likely that you have got the potential to smash? Yeah.
Yeah.
You think so?
I think so.
Yeah, and why?
Because she put you in there. So that means you a close friend. You ain't gonna say nothing.
I need more detail, my boy.
Like you ain't gonna say nothing because if it was more people, you see what I'm saying? Like it's secretive. So
right. Okay. So what's your insight, Andrew?
Somebody text you.
I'm gonna have to agree with Tunchi. I mean, you're in there for a reason.
Yeah.
So okay.
You're in there for a reason.
Okay. So what if I slide in her stuff and be like, like I not basically like, oh, can I hit, or like basically, oh, when you gonna let me get a piece of that? Like, woo.
I feel like you got a better chance.
And then she curve you. Then what?
Nah, I feel like you got a better chance to shoot your shot when she put you in the green.
Yeah.
I feel like it's a better,
But why do certain females add guys to close friends?
The ones they like. I feel like, cause I got a few females.
I got a few like that too. So that's why I asked
all type of stuff.
That's why I gotta ask.
But I know I ain't the only dude in there, so I don't feel like special.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Let me know in the conversation on your guys' insight about that, man, because it's really been a question that's on my mind, and I've decided to do that. Like every video, I'm gonna start, not every video, but most of my videos, I'm gonna start asking y'all questions because it be stuff on my mind. That'd be wondering like, oh, what the first think of this? And did I ask you the I got one more question too. Did I ask you the question where I was like, oh, I said your homeboy in the hospital dying, like literally on his deathbed. Mm-hmm. But the mother of your child is expecting. She in labor right now. Who you going to go see? Not first. Who are you going to go see?
Hold on, you said what now?
Okay, so you got one of your homeboys, your best friends. He's in the deathbed dying, but he's able to talk. He's functional. Mm-hmm. But he literally got.
And your baby mama having a baby?
Your baby mama is in labor. Who are you going to go see?
You gotta go see your baby mama first. That's your child.
Yeah. Okay, but I agree. But okay, go ahead, keep talking. You got something else to say.
You know what I'm saying? I feel like that's your child, but I don't know their situation. So,
okay, Andrew, what you got to say about that?
It's the last time you could see your homeboy?
Oh,
yes,
alive. Last time?
Oh, yeah, bro, he did.
Oh my god.
What you gonna do? Wake up? You think he the Undertaker, bro?
Oh my god. I didn't hear that part.
Yeah, so
I don't know. It depends on the situation with both people.
No, y'all, you and your baby mother, y'all married. Y'all Bonnie and Clyde, y'all riding to the wheels fall off.
Well, it's up to the baby mama. You could communicate with her and take care
but
about
what did she say? Go ahead, I'll be fine.
Then I'm gonna go.
But what if she? Worst case scenario, what if she don't make it through her what's it called?
Her labor?
Her labor, yeah.
Man, you just making up stuff.
No, bro, I'm saying, it's this question.
Man, that is so rare to happen.
It's rare. Yeah, it's super rare. But, I don't know. It's if you think about it more, it's something to think about. I ain't just say, oh, I'm going to. Because most people gonna say, I want to see my child's mother first. But you have to give the thought that
your friend.
This your last time talking to your friend. You don't know what he want to say to you.
I didn't hear that part.
You're not expecting it. You don't know what he gonna say to you. You don't know nothing. You know what I'm saying? And then on the other end, you got your, this might be your one and only child that you having. You don't know if you gonna have.
That's a tough situation.
Yeah, bro. It's like one of them things that it's like you got to think more in depth because most people gonna say off rip, I don't want to go see my child's mother, but you got to think about it. So much into it, guys. Mm-hmm. Let me know in the comment section. Mustangs came through. Mustang gang came through. But it's snowing way too heavy for the safety of our cameras. You're not gonna go back out there. So we definitely got some dope content. It's definitely not gonna be the last time that we gonna pull up to this event. We gonna pull up to this event with the vet, and Tunchi gonna pull up to this event with the Beamer.
Yeah. Next time.
And we got to, next time it's gonna be lit and it ain't gonna be wet.
I can't wait until all this stuff is over with because we finna be in April already.
Bro, it's about to get crazy. My birthday coming April 18th. Yeah. So stay tuned for that content too.
The Beamer should be painted around that time. We outside.
Andrew will be in attendance too.
Oh yes,
sir.
Whatever we got going on for my birthday. I got a lot of plans for my birthday, guys. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but whatever your boy Swear will do, I like to go crazy. I like to just do the most sometimes. And it's definitely about to be crazy. And the snow is crazy too, guys.
Yeah, look at that snow.
Make sure y'all go subscribe to my brother Tunchi, TUNECHEE. Make sure y'all go follow my boy Andrew Coldwater. It's Andrew. Andrew
Coldwater. The account's coldwater.captures on Instagram.
Coldwater.capture. Coldwater.capture. And then
my actual account's Andrew Coldwater.
Andrew Coldwater. And then you ain't started YouTube yet?
No, I'm gonna do that pretty soon. Yes, sir.
Get YouTube going too. We about to get my boy Andrew going, and we about to make sure he blow up. And y'all about to just grind this summer. Y'all gonna see this a lot now. So this content that y'all seeing, this different point of view content. Yeah. This is not a one time thing. This is gonna be, y'all gonna see a lot of this, guys. So I'm excited.
Pretty dope too.
I'm excited. Yeah, I'm excited. And Tunchi, I don't know if Tunchi gonna do stuff like this either, but I told him to. But it's up to him if he want to do it. But stay tuned for both of us, man. We got some lit content, lit ideas this year. Had to go crazy about to turn up this year. And like I said, man, with our brothers out there in Texas, we gotta hold it down here.
Yeah,
so
we gotta hold it down, man.
Just turn the content up here, but they hold it down out there.